Aislinn.
So.
Hey guys, so we're gonna go to Knott's right now. It's currently raining. Okay, so the reason we're going to Knott's, we're celebrating our 2 years anniversary. Our anniversary is on Monday. Today is Saturday
The 20th.
We went to 7-Eleven and we got some sabritones. We got some sueros because we drank last night and probably we might get dizzy later, so this is a must. We got fruits and we got apple pie. We didn't have breakfast because one, we're broke. Just kidding. No, one, we overate a lot last night, so that's that.
I ate 2 fat ass burgers.
Fit for today, guys. All right, guys, outfit change again because my jacket wasn't jacketing. It's literally wet. I was wetting myself for.
So we just got off. Which one was it?
Silver Bullet. Okay, so what I've noticed, well, I mean, this is our first ride, but every ride will be a water ride. Because once you're on the ride, all the freaking water went to our face, went to our clothes. He's drenched. And like,
my jeans are drenched.
Just basically everything. He caught on video our picture and everything, but literally every ride's gonna be a water ride.
It's like a water park.
Even if I have a poncho and that I'm still wet, like I'm wet from my bottom of my jeans. You see that? But yeah, we're having fun. It's a first experience for us for sure.
In the rain.
In the rain.
We've been here before.
It's cold, so hopefully we don't get sick.
We're gonna get sick.
It's not too cold, but like it's just because we're wet. You get my point.
All right. Well, we're gonna walk around, so
to see what ride next. Hey guys, so like I'm editing the video and I realized we don't really have enough clips of this ride, or we never really talked about it. We were just living in the moment. I got on that ride so many times, except this very moment I was very scared. If you see the seat, literally that thing is just a belt holding you, and then the thing in front of you just, I don't know, but for some reason I was so scared that day just because it was raining.
in my opinion, I was never scared of this ride ever because I've gone to Knott's many times until she brought it up, how we trust this ride way too much because our weight goes onto this belt fully and we're like upside down. But overall, the ride isn't too bad. It's just the first drop. You just feel like you're gonna slip out of your seat.
So far, oh my god, my mocha came out, no. Okay, it's 1:40. We only gone to 2 rides. We took a huge break because it was getting cold and everything, and then now we're gonna get on this that it used to be called Bigfoot. Now I don't know what it's called, but We were so close to getting on the Pony Express, and bruh, we were so close, and they stopped. It started to pick up. It was raining so hard. I think it's becoming less, babe.
Oh well, we're gonna stay here for now. We're gonna get extra wet on I don't know what it's called now. We're just gonna call it Bigfoot Rapids. So every ride is getting delayed. Every ride is getting closed down. But once the rain stops, we're gonna get back in line to Pony Express and hopefully Ghost Rider after. So. Wow, what a big line.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yeah, I'm done with now. I'm staying still. My hair's a mess. We just got off of Ghost Rider.
You look so short here. Okay, yeah. So we just got off the Ghost Rider. Akira.
Yeah.
Honestly, we were in front because one, I was not in the mood of feeling it too much. So fun fact, if you're in the front, you don't feel anything. If you're in the back, you're gonna feel
your stomach drop.
Yes, everything. So that's something that people
They're misinterpreting.
But you know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, front if you don't want to feel things, back if you want to feel everything.
Wait time on a rainy day was about 40 minutes?
No, it was 30.
30 to 40.
Yeah,
but
not bad actually. So
not bad. Now we're going to walk more and see what we get on.
Pony Express this time because the last time got canceled and all that shenanigans.
The rain actually stopped now, so
yay, that's the good news.
Yeah, all right, well, let's see what we get up next. Very empty, guys. I recommend coming on a rainy day.
Explain.
I was the only one into this. I almost broke the gun.
And me too. Come on.
I broke the gun.
We're the only one, guys. Literally on the photo. Guys, we got our horseshoe customized and this blacksmith thing. So, what you think, babe?
Love it.
It's our little souvenir of our 2nd anniversary. So.
Guys, my hair's a mess. I'm tired. I haven't ate all day. Waiting for a pizza.
Hi. Oh, right. I just want to hop on real quick. We're no longer at Knott's. Knott's actually closed at 6 p.m. due to the weather. It was raining so hard. Overall, we were in a budget, so we did not eat inside the theme park, but yeah, as you can see, we're starving and tired. But overall, I recommend going to Knott's even if it's in a rainy day. The only con part, yes, it's raining, and then 2, you just have to be alert if the rides are gonna be on for that day or not, or be prepared that they may stop it due to the weather. Like, it might be raining so hard, so they have to stop. But overall, I liked it. I don't care. It was amazing. I had fun. All right, bye. Oh my god, guys, we're starving.
You're so tiny. Yeah.